Getting breaking news that Anna Hazare has written to Rahul Gandhi crediting him for his effort to fight corruption. Congress has thanked Anna Hazare in return for appreciating Rahul Gandhi in his letter. Anna had written to Rahul Gandhi that he appreciates the effort that Rahul Gandhi made to fight corruption.
Anna Hazare ji has written a letter to Rahul Gandhi ji in which he has said that he appreciates the commitment of Rahul Gandhi ji for Lokpal bill. We thank Anna Hazare ji for his appreciation. As we all know, Rahul Gandhi ji has always been committed to fight against corruption in the system, to bring in transparency in the functioning of the system.
Political editor Kartikeya Sharma is now joining us with more details. Kartikeya, with speculation that Rahul Gandhi could be projected as the Congress's prime ministerial candidate, this letter from Anna Hazare crediting him with fighting against corruption will definitely come as a boost to him.
You see, Maha, Rahul Gandhi will be declared as the prime ministerial candidate. There is no other option which the Congress party has. What it does, which you asked me very correctly, it puts Rahul Gandhi in the center of things, something which was reserved for Sonia in terms of letter correspondence with the Prime Minister and key initiative. Now, what is happening is, right before the elections, Maha, this position is being vacated by Sonia for Rahul so that he can be positioned as a person who is proactive. Now, the problem which with the Rahul Gandhi was that people often blamed him that he was not proactive. But the point was that if he became proactive, which was one of the very strongly held view, then how would it had portrayed the role of Sonia and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh? I think that position is being made vacant for Rahul to occupy. And that is why there is a method to this whole process. We never saw Rahul speaking on issues of gang rape very publicly. Sonia Gandhi did. But after that, what's happening? Rahul speaks on Lokpal. Rahul Gandhi speaks on issue of 377. The letters between Rahul Gandhi and Anna Hazare, which are personal, they have come out. He addresses the press conference on Lokpal. He's meeting journalists off the record. So I think it's part of the process whereby political space, which is the most sacred space in our political system, it's being ceded by Congress President for Rahul Gandhi so that he establishes himself as the face for the prime ministerial chair. I think that's how I see it.